So what happens is the first stage of Ike is that we have to set up a secure channel before any of the handshaking takes place. So the first phase of Ike is to get a secure channel set up, which means to get a symmetric key on both ends. And Ike uses Diffie-Hellman to get the keys, the symmetric keys on both ends. Now, how does Diffie-Hellman work? Remember, one end will create its public key and private key. The other end will create its public key and private key. Then just the public keys are exchanged, and a symmetric key is created on both devices. So that's how a Diffie-Hellman works. So the first phase of Ike is to get those symmetric keys on both devices. Now, once the secure channel is set up, that's when the handshake between the routers for the IPsec parameters can actually take place, because the first phase we set up a secure channel using Diffie-Hellman. So the second phase, now all the VPN parameters, what's going to be used, the algorithms, protocols, the modes, key size, all of that can be protected. So phase one of Ike, setting up a secure channel using Diffie-Hellman. Phase two is actually the handshake of what the VPN parameters will be. Once that's done, then you can move information through the VPN. Then you move actual user data. But those first two steps have to happen first.